Hey guys, welcome back to Clove Technology's YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Motorola Defy, which is a really cool, rugged budget phone.
As we open the box, we can see the phone has a film across it with information showing where the on-off button is and that it's dust and waterproof. Underneath the phone there are two booklets, a quick start guide and a legal, safety and regulations guide. There is then a piece of card with a metal pin attached for you to open the SIM compartment. At the bottom of the box there is a plug, a wrist strap and a charging wire. We liked the straightforward packaging as it was easy to figure out what was what and that all the parts were definitely there.
This Motorola phone is designed to keep up with the adventures and activities of your daily life with protective features that do not compromise performance or battery. The rugged features include being waterproof to depths of 1.5 meters for 35 minutes as well as being sand and dust free. It can be cleaned easily using soap or sanitizer due to the protective nature of this phone, allowing you to keep it hygienic wherever you are. This phone can endure extreme temperatures of up to 55 degrees and minus 25 degrees, but most importantly, it is built to handle drops of up to 1.8 meters. The phone's body is textured, which is designed to provide extra grip.
The screen is made of Gorilla Glass Victus, which is the latest toughened glass, meaning it's protected from scratches and can be used with wet fingers. To test the strength of this screen, we did a variety of drop tests onto different surfaces and into water. After all of this, the phone was functioning as normal, even when covered in dust. The touchscreen was picking up sensitivity as normal when it was both wet and dusty. As you can see in these clips, the edges of the phone have been a bit scratched on the rubber due to being dropped as expected, but the screen is completely unscratched. The Motorola Defy comes with the Android 10 operating system, which can be upgraded to 11 if desired. It has a 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of internal storage, which should be plenty for most people. If needed, it has expansions available of up to 512GB using a microSD card. There is a waterproof 3.5mm headphone jack and a programmable shortcut key with a push-to-talk mode. The Motorola Defy uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor. The Defy has similar performance to the Moto G9 Power and the G9 Play, which have the same core hardware, which makes it okay for basic gaming if it's nothing too complex. A 6.5-inch HD IPS display with a 720p resolution and a 60Hz refresh rate makes it perfect for viewing media.
On the back of the phone, there is a 48 megapixel quad camera, allowing you to capture bright and sharp photos in daylight. The macro allows you to get up-close details of small objects. Then there is a main camera, selfie snapper, depth sensor. In our opinion, the camera isn't of the best quality, but for the price, we weren't expecting the highest definition. Nonetheless, the images had a good enough sharpness, providing there was enough light. The macro camera lens did leave images looking fairly unsaturated.
There is a fingerprint scanner on the back which allows unlocking the phone to be quick and convenient. The 5000 mAh battery provides a long-lasting battery life for up to 2 days. This makes it perfect for camping trips and long days out.
In our opinion, we think this device is a really good size and weight for a rugged phone. It is not too heavy and the screen is big enough to view media. We also love the rugged aspects. For a mid-priced phone, the Defy can definitely withstand daily challenges and more. The camera was the main drawback, as we found it struggled to pick up detail when there was too much light. However, for the money, this is definitely a decent phone with a lot of sturdy protective features. The Motorola Defy is available at Clove Technologies for £279. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.